What have you guys come up to? It's in the middle of the night. Here? I hate this place. What have you done? You bastards! What is this? I'm not gonna play a horror game, am I? You are nasty. I hate horror games. Fucking, I hate this place. It's haunted, you know? I'm gonna kill you, Marcus. I'm gonna strangle Marcus. I hate this place. This is called the Crypt. It's at the very, very, very bottom of the JP Manor. You never go here. We know that 3 places in the JP Manor is haunted because we've seen things that you don't want to see. This place is one of them. People don't go here. Amnesia. Rebirth. I promise you, this game cannot be more terrifying than this place, though. I don't know what happens when you combine them. Aww.
No idea you brought him.
The little monkey.
Alex? Hello.
This is bad. No! I'm gonna land in a bad, bad place. I thought I heard something.
Don't forget, it's all because of her.
Focus. I am focused.
Amnesia. I am
Hello.
still.
So cold down here. Who sits in a basement in late October in Sweden? Nobody. I'm not gonna die the first thing I do.
Do not allow yourself anger.
No. No.
Do not allow yourself to
Come on!
understand me, Tassi.
I have to remember, she will die. Fine, Celine. She will die. Who will die? This looks really trashed. What's this?
Crew of the Cassandra, can anyone hear me?
Hello? Yes? I can hear you. Come get me. Hello? What? In the desert? I was absolutely certain it was going to be a bad place. Seems like you lost your mind, lady. Here. I don't know. Is that good? Shall I keep that somehow? What's that sound? Hint. Staying in direct is a bird. Says a bird. What the freak? Is that a tail? No. Yes. God. Bird scared me. I hope it doesn't get any worse than that. Caves? I'm not going to a cave. Bad things happen in caves. I guess I can bring this with me. Maybe I need to cook tea. I look like an alien with telepathic features. I hate spiders. Are there spiders? Hope I'll find some water so I can make tea. Tea with biscuits. That would be nice now.
Salim, are you there?
No, shh. It's a very bad idea. I've seen that in horror movies. Do not shout. No, but I don't want to go to the caves, but seems like I have to. Caves usually have biscuits though. That would be nice. Biscuits. So I'm gonna die from lack of tea. Here we go.
Oh, thank God.
Hint, what is this? More tea? First clue. How come there's so much stuff that I don't need? That's very confusing. It's this thing. Oh, rubbish! Okay, so the dad is lost somewhere. Salim is lost somewhere. There's a baby lost somewhere. But I seem to be only looking for Salim. You know that you shouldn't go down here, right? They were in love, weren't they? I will find Salim for you, lady. Going in the wrong direction. Yes, doll. No, don't need that. Car. Toy car. Shirts. Don't need that. Something in here. Oh, for fuck's sake. I'm gonna kill my YouTube team. Should not be going down here. This is a bad... Here we go. Oh, another one. I hate bugs. Oh, come on. Is this a bug game? Yeah, how did they get in there? That's a closed closet. Who's in there? Hint, staying in the dark without light source will increase your fear. No shit. This looks like something. No! Look! I'm out of matches. I told you. Damn it, I need more matches. looking hot today. The Easter Island people have been here. It's already lit. Stop being something. No, this is always a bad idea. I'm stuck. No, yeah. Nasty. Oh, come on. Jesus Christ. No. Oh, damn it. I don't want to die. I can't die. Oh, what kind of skill level is that? Suck. How fast do you need to press this? This is insane. Use the mouse and. David can't read. That was the problem. First time I moved into this JP Manor, I came along this hallway and it felt so spooky that I was sure I was going to see The Shining, the two sisters in The Shining, wherever I turned. Came in here, went to this door with my torch. That door closed behind me. That door cannot close. Oh! Hello! Odd shaking things. What shall I do with you? There's obviously a purpose to your behavior, I need to know. Something wrong with my monitor. I can't see anything at all. Oh shit. Alright, so I am in the desert, in nowhere, in a cave that's super spooky, walking into an alien hole. That's like, that is the worst idea ever. So cold. I'm freezing. Sometimes it gets colder and then warmer. Why is that? Haha! A door. I remember the last door. It didn't let me take my tea with me.
Hello? Anyone?
No way. No! Do not scream. Why would you put a stick like this here? What purpose would it fill? Hello. Yeah.
Shit!
Promise you. Look at this, yeah. Whoa! No! Yes. WSAD, no, I'm not dead yet. Where am I? Why am I? Now that made me seasick. Ha-ha! You're right! Well, that was pointless. Oh, I've come so far. What is that? That must be Medusa, but instead of having snakes from her head, she's got snakes from her armpits. Very sexy style. Medusa. Weak ports, but not amulet. Weak ports, but no amulet. Yeah, it makes absolute sense. Yeah, and then I'll just toss off up there, come down, take a left and right. Ooh. Is that something I needed? I came to absolutely nowhere. Whoa! New place. Through a door where I can't bring tea. It's my British jeans. I see darts, I see tea, I see biscuits all over the place. Oh, freaking hell. I thought that was... What's happening? What's happening? Jesus Christ! I found the portal! I found the engine! I find it! Yes! I've completed the game! Ah! No. I haven't. Maybe I have. If it's falling down a hole, which is the purpose. I've completed the game! Yeah, I don't know if this is the completed game party, but I don't have any more time to play at the moment. I'm freezing to death, okay? I'm nauseous, I'm scared, I don't want to be here. Anyhow, happy Halloween to all of you. I guess that was the purpose of this. Hello! I wasn't supposed to do that, was I? No, that was the bad idea. That I suck at life when it comes to horror games. Okay, I'm out. Have a good day. Bye.